You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name from French, how you can say it in French and how you can say it in English. If you want to learn more French pronunciation, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Bonneau is the French pronunciation. Essentially, you've got a short O sound. It's not O in French, it's an O. And then E-A-U is the same sound, it's O. Bonneau, Bonneau. If you cannot pronounce French, you can simply say it in English as Bonneau, alright? Bonneau. It's easy. Bonneau. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.